Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. Thank you to each and every single one of you for everything that you do. Thank you. Okay, thank you for liking the video as well. Thanks. So right now, XRP, if we take a look on the weekly, you're above a 20, bullish. Okay, you're holding a 20, coming to some kind of apex just there. Hold its support and get the breakout. I mean, look at that for support and resistance. So that horizontal that you're in right now on the weekly, look at that, and you've come up into it. So you're coiling up, and a break is coming on. I keep saying it, but it is. You know, we did have a bit of a breakout just there, and you can see we've actually closed back inside this horizontal. You have a little fake out below and a little fake out above. You know, and look how close we are. You know, some kind of break is coming here for XRP, isn't it? Now on the daily, if we look at this on the daily, we are looking for some kind of reversal pattern. So look, we've got a key level resistance just here for XRP. You see this? Key level resistance just there at 10, let's get that knob on for you, 109,739. okay, that's a key level resistance for XRP. You can see it's struggling to get back above that. So once you do start to get back above that, that's really bullish for XRP, and you know that could be the go signal that you're looking for to come back up to retest this level of resistance and getting back above the EMAs, especially on the daily time frame. Once you start to do that, that's where you could start to break out here for XRP, you know, and start to move onwards and upwards, because there we had a lovely little fake out, come back down, held the support. Look, we're holding the support and we're running to this resistance like a boss. So we are coiling up for some kind of break. Okay, this could be seen as some kind of ascending triangle. If we hold this support just there and continue to hold this as resistance, you know, you're creating some kind of ascending triangle, which is a bullish reversal pattern basically, you know, higher highs, higher lows like this. So it's looking good, you know. If we do lose this support, which, you know, can happen, I'm going to give you a couple of support targets that I do think you'll get some cheeky bids in, where you might get a little wick down, come back up into the apex, because obviously you're fully aware, as you get breakouts, fake outs, sorry, to the upside, you can get fake outs to the downside, as you had one here when you lost these support. Okay, so for me, you've got two levels of support here for XRP. It's looking bullish. It's looking bullish because you're forming an ascending triangle on the daily time frame just there, which is a bullish pattern basically. So, but I have to show you support. So right now, if you see a little cheeky roll in the market, put some bids on that swing low just there at 96. 096190, and then if there is a further correction, you've got two key levels of support where you'll see wick bounces. This is how it works. Okay, so you've got a key level of support right there at 89 cents, and then that last level of support just there at 85 cents, you know. And if it does start to lose those key level support, that's quite negative, and you can see you're rolling out of a huge horizontal here, which is a bullish continuation pattern, because it comes up into it like this. You coil up, you coil up, you coil up, which you are doing. We've been speaking about this for months. Okay, look, all the way since August we've been coiling up like this for XRP, consolidating, going sideways in a range, like I said to you, until you come close to the apex, and then you get the breakout. Okay, obviously we all want to break to the upside, but you're fully aware it can actually break to the downside. There's no guarantees here, there's no guarantees, but if you do start to look to the left for XRP, you can see that each time it does come into a horizontal, okay, and we come in, coil up, boom, we break out. And you know, a good example of one is just here. You know, it's pretty much like what we're doing right now. We've come up, we've got overextended, we've coiled up, boom, 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 boring sideways, and then boom, we broke out. Okay, and then equally in the last bull run as well, if we move to the left, you can see we got all the way into this apex like this, doing exactly what we're doing right now. Fake outs, you know, to the downside and to the upside, and just there, look at that. That's very, very similar to the fake out that we just had a couple of weeks ago for XRP. Very similar there. Yeah, we're off to the races. Come back down, retest one last level of support, which is what we're doing right now, to be honest with you, before we start to break up, broke that level of resistance, and then we were gone, and we put in that whopping leg there of the previous bull run. I don't necessarily envision this kind of run. It could happen, obviously, but there are no guarantees here for XRP. You know, there's no guarantees in crypto, full stop. But you are in a technically bullish continuation pattern right now. You are coiling up towards an apex. You got your little fake out there a couple of weeks ago, like I said to you, you know, and right now, if you hold this as support, which you are, and you come back up and you break that resistance, this could be all systems go, you know, for the moving into December basically. So watch this space. You know, I do see comments, oh, you do the same thing every day, but what else can I say other than you're doing well? You're holding support. You know, we're looking for a breakout, and if you don't want to watch the videos, don't watch them. You know, and, you know, if you want to take the time out of your day to comment on the videos as well. I appreciate that, but why even take any time to leave negative comments? I don't understand that. Some people are just a little bit strange. So yeah, if you can hold this level of support just here and come back up and break this key level resistance, this could be a lovely little break for XRP, and I would imagine you're going to get a little pump wherever it is to come back up and retest that as resistance at least, you know, and potentially coil up even more into this apex before you get right to the end of the apex and break out. Who knows? But this is XRP. This is what it does. It has a habit of testing patience. Remember I said patience is key with XRP. So a key level resistance at the moment is 109. Starts to get back above that, golden. Lose this level of support right now. You've got some cheeky little support levels down here. 90, where on that wick low just there, you're around about 96 cents, and then you've got that one there at 88 cents, and then you've got that one there around about 85 cents, I think it is, for XRP. They need to hold if you do start to reroll, because if it don't, then that's quite negative. But you know, you are in a bullish continuation pattern, remember that. Okay, so the technicals look bullish, the price action looks bullish, and you're gearing up. Let's have a look at the RSI. Okay, look at the daily RSI as well. Look at that, boom, down there in the floor. And you did get your little bullish divergence as well. You got a low and a lower low, and just there in the price action you got a low and a higher low. So that's your bullish divergence. I think as well with the moon phase that we've spoken about, you know, that's actually kicked in here as well. And I think we went through this, that, you know, technically it's a silly little technical, I know it is, but you know, it does show that on the moon phases, when we get a pump moon, we very rarely dump. You know, I think I went through this the other day. I think there was like one dump moon, and the rest, you know, was pretty much pump moon. There was a couple of consolidation moons, but it doesn't really dump on a pump moon. So again, another silly little technical, I know, but yeah. So I'll be back tomorrow with another update on XRP. At the moment you're forming an ascending triangle, potentially high highs, high lows. You're looking for a beautiful reversal pattern, get back above the EMAs, and I think you're going to come up and retest this level of resistance just there for XRP, and that could offer a fantastic long op, at least of around about 9 to 10% to come back up and test that. Look how close you're getting to the apex. So something is going to give relatively soon here for XRP. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, and thank you once again for your support. Take care everyone. Bye bye.